Okay, I was asked a question, and that question was this. If I want to copy a formula down 50,000 rows, here's the formula here, which is equal C2 times B2. If I want this formula copied down this column 50,000 times, what's the best way to do it? And over here I've got a screenshot in which I detail the directions. And so you select the cell with the formula. All right, that's first step. Click in the name box, which is, here's your cell box, and then you click in your name box over here, and type the range where you want the formula entered into. In this example, the formula that we see here is D2. The formula is in cell D2, and it should go down to cell D2000. And so I type D2 colon D2000. Then I press the Enter key after I type that in to select the range of cells. And then on the keyboard, I press Control D to fill the formula down through the selected cells. Now this is just doing it through 2000 rows. So let's do it. I'm going to click there. And now after I click there, I go up here to where the name box is. It's got D2 there already. I put in a colon, and now I type in D 50,123, 50,000, and I hit enter. It selected all of those cells. Now I do Control D on the keyboard, and it just pastes all of the cells that go down this way with the correct formula. So there was a formula originally, and you notice it goes all the way down to the last. So I can do Control down arrow, and that went down to the bottom of the spreadsheet to the 50,000th row. And then I can do Control up arrow, and it comes back up to the top. So that's the long and short of how you can fill a formula through quite a few rows, and you could do it, of course, with columns as well, the same method.